Motorola Edge 60 and Edge 60 Pro just got certified by TENAA, confirming the full specifications and design details of these highly anticipated smartphones. After the recent launch of the Edge 60 Fusion, Motorola is ready to expand the series with these two new models. A leaked promo video of the Edge 60, shared by trusted leakster Evan Blass on his X account, gave us our first look, while TENAA listings offer an even deeper dive. Both phones will feature a stunning 6.67-inch OLED panel with elegantly curved sides and a sharp 1220p resolution. They also include an under-display fingerprint scanner for a seamless user experience. The Edge 60 Pro is expected to be powered by a 3.35 GHz CPU, likely the MediaTek Dimensity 8350 SoC, while the Edge 60 will use a 2.5 GHz octa-core chip. Both models come packed with memory options going up to 16 GB RAM and a whopping 1 TB of internal storage. In terms of battery, the Edge 60 Pro boasts a massive 6,000 mAh cell with ultra-fast 90W charging, whereas the Edge 60 features a still impressive 5,500 mAh battery, supporting 68W fast charging. On the left side of both devices, there's a dedicated hardware button, which is rumored to be a Moto AI key, possibly linked to Motorola's new smart assistant or shortcut functions. When it comes to cameras, the Edge 60 is actually a more exciting one on paper, sporting a 50MP front-facing selfie camera and a powerful triple camera setup on the back. 50MP main, 10MP telephoto lens with 3x optical zoom, and a 50MP ultra-wide-angle sensor. Meanwhile, the Edge 60 Pro houses a 32MP selfie shooter, and the rear camera array includes a 50MP primary sensor, a 13MP secondary sensor, and a third mysterious camera that is yet to be identified, though it is confirmed to support 3x optical zoom as well. The design language across both models looks premium and stylish, with an emphasis on performance, battery life, and intelligent photography. Motorola appears to be aiming for flagship-level specs at competitive pricing, which should make the Edge 60 series a game-changer in the mid-to-premium Android segment. The timing of this TENAA certification strongly suggests an official launch is just around the corner. And don't forget, the Edge 60 and 60 Pro are expected to launch alongside the much-awaited Razr 60 and Razr 60 Ultra, which have also been spotted on TENAA, pointing to a big reveal event from Motorola very soon. Whether you're looking for massive battery life, high-end display quality, flagship camera systems, or new AI-powered features, Motorola's upcoming lineup is shaping up to be one of the most exciting Android drops this year. Stay tuned for more updates and real-world hands-on impressions as soon as the official announcement drops, only here on TechVerse.